In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Zoho Mail account or reset your password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to change it for security reasons, these steps will guide you through the process easily. First, we'll head over to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the official Zoho Mail URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the sign-in option right at the top. Click on this to proceed. With the sign-in page open, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Zoho Mail account. This is important because Zoho needs this information to locate your account within their system. After typing in your email, click on the Next button to continue. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. Right below the password entry box, you'll notice a link that says, Forgot Password. Clicking on this will direct you to the next step in the password recovery process. Next, you'll be asked to enter a CAPTCHA code. This is a common security measure to ensure that the request is coming from a human and not a bot. Type in the characters you see in the image provided on the screen. Once entered, simply click Next. After validating the CAPTCHA, you'll get an option to reset your password. Click on Continue to proceed. Zoho will then prompt you to verify your identity. You can choose to verify via an email address. Make sure the email you select is accessible to you. Now, head over to your chosen email address. Upon logging into your email account, navigate to your inbox where you'll receive an email from Zoho containing an OTP, which stands for One-Time Passcode. Copy the OTP from the email and go back to the Zoho recovery page to enter it. There will be a field where you can paste or type in this code. Once you've entered the OTP, click the Verify button to authenticate your identity. If you've set up multi-factor authentication, you might be prompted to enter another OTP here. This step adds an extra layer of security to your account. After entering this additional OTP, hit Verify again. Now comes the step where you can actually reset your password. You'll need to create a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've typed in the new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by entering it again. This helps ensure that there's no mistake in typing. Finally, click on Change Password. If everything's entered correctly, your password should be successfully updated, and you'll have recovered your Zoho Mail account. It's always a good idea to note down your new password somewhere secure or use a password manager to avoid similar issues in the future. And that's how you recover or reset your Zoho Mail password. I hope you found this guide helpful.